Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy, and today I just got something new. This is, you probably could tell by the label, but if you were not aware, Arrma has a line of miniature vehicles known as the Grom series, and I got the Arrma Mojave Grom. Oh, it's a beauty. Look at it. This is the brushed version because I want to do a bunch of my own upgrades to it. I don't want to have the already upgraded one. But I also got a second battery and the adapter lead so I can use my charger that has an IC3 adapter on it and charge the little batteries. So this is the little adapter lead, goes from IC3 to IC2, I think. And here is the miniature battery here. We're gonna unbox this first. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen a Spectrum battery this small before. This is insane. This is just a 2S one, because it's the less powerful model, but that is a tiny battery. Look at that. This is the smallest Spectrum battery I've ever held. Besides the crawler battery, but for like a basher. And then the adapter lead. Let's unbox that as well. I'm not too worried about this packaging, but we've got these two. And the main reason is this. So there's one. Actually, yep, there's only one sticky piece of tape on the bottom. When we open it up, oh my gosh. This is the most adorable little truck I have ever seen. It's held in by some zip ties, so we'll just cut those. Not the most efficient way to do it, but oh my gosh, this is incredible. Oh my gosh, look at the finish on here. It's got this like shiny black and red on the front and goes into the matte black on the back. This is so much cooler. And then there are two buttons on the side. That's actually really easy. And then inside you got the battery, ESC receiver all in one, servo down there, heat sink on the motor, which is really nice. I like that they added that. It's got a fan here, which is also cool. It's got full four-wheel drive. Really nice feeling suspension for a car this small, but that is slick. The clipless body mounting, just throw it on. Okay, it needs to be aligned, but throw it on. This thing is epic. Oh my gosh. Let's look at what else we get in the box. Get a controller. I think once 4 AA's, you get your whole pack of stuff. I do believe they give you a actual screwdriver now. Let's see. I think I've heard that Arrma has been sending their trucks with actual toolkits now, which is amazing. Just some manuals, a little card. The tool here, I'm very curious about this one. Let's see, so there is an Allen key that comes with it. It's a very small one, but it actually comes with a decent tool. That's nice. It's got a little metal handle, got a nice little hex on there with a little nut on the back. This is the charger. I'm just going to leave that in the packaging for now because I'm not planning on using it. We also have the batteries for the controller. So let's just open these up. Sorry about the dogs in the background. My window's open because it's really hot here. And there are some dogs barking outside. Okay, so this is the IC SLT2 transmitter. So it's a 2-channel transmitter, very basic design. Basically going like this. Boom, let's make sure it powers on. Nice. Okay, it turns on, that's good. Nice little transmitter, very basic. But yeah, I can't believe how good this thing looks for being so small. The little tires. Let's do a little bit of tear down here to look at some stuff. So, taking off the wheel nuts with their included tool, which is very nice that they have that. And it's very easy to use. These are these little D-Boots Fortress tires. Feel pretty squishy, nice and grippy. I don't think they have any foams in them, which is fine for a car this scale. You can see the nice detail they put into how it all works. It's got some oil-filled shocks. These have plastic caps. If you get the brushless one, they are metal caps, but I want to upgrade these myself. It's got metal drive shafts, I do believe. Or plastic, I'm not sure. I think those are metal. Yeah, I think they're metal. I think it has a full metal drivetrain besides the differentials, which I also want to upgrade to my own chosen differentials. I don't want to use their metal ones. I want to find some that I want to use. But yeah, this looks amazing. There's got like a piece of foam in there for the battery. So let's take that out. It's an identical 2S pack to the one I got, that extra one. We gotta plug these in to charge them. And while they charge, I can't do anything. So we're gonna let them charge. Shouldn't take too long, and then I'll be back to do driving test. Okay, so it is the next day, because it was too dark last night to drive it, and so we're going to test it out and see how well it does. It's quite quick for being brush, in my opinion. Like, for a car this size, it's quite rapid. It is so bright outside. Dang. It is gripped up, too. I don't know how well it'll do on dirt, especially with all the grass we have. Okay, well I already hit the body on something. So far, handles really well. The steering is not trimmed super well, which that's normal. Suspension feels really nice. I have not recorded like this in a while. It cannot go up the stairs, which that's normal unless you have like a 1/5 scale. Let's see if it can jump this gap. Oh, no problem. The amount of concentration I need to drive this is crazy. Like one hand. And record. I got too used to have, oh, first roll. So first thoughts, suspension feels really good for on-road driving and just like simple driving, but it seems like once you get to stunts and things where you need a lot of cushioning for hard impact, you'll want to throw on some of the little plastic rings that come in the box for stiffening up your springs. And you might want to put some thicker fluid in there, because the fluid out of the box feels very loose. Remember, I'm barely putting any throttle right now. Yeah, this thing is rapid. Okay, we're in the ditch. Yeah, it doesn't handle too well on grass, unfortunately. Let's take it out front. I do like how there's a fan in here, so to help keep it cool. You can hear it in there. Let's also see how the motor is doing, because it's a hot day. Oh yeah, it's nice. You got the fan blowing on it, and because I love how, look, there's no dust in there. Because there are guards on here that prevent dust from getting in there, which is super nice. Just align it, clip it in, boom, you're ready to go. Okay, let's take it out front. See how it does out here. Honestly, not too bad for how tall the grass is. Yeah, it can definitely use a little bit more power with the brushless 3S. But for what I'm using it for, with just like some more chill driving in smaller areas, this brush is actually pretty good power. I wonder how it does on wood chips. So this would be like park wood chips, sort of. These are a little bit more aggressive than just park wood chips. I just drove through a mushroom. Actually doesn't do too bad for how small this vehicle is. When it gets to the big divots, it's a lot more difficult. But yeah, honestly, for how deep it, oh, it got a lot of leaves in there. But for driving on pretty thick wood chips, it doesn't do too bad. It's pretty heavy actually, because it's got a lot of dense plastic in there to help keep everything strong and safe. This body is one of the most sturdy bodies I've ever felt, because it's got a skeleton inside basically that helps hold it together. But yeah, I will definitely be using this car a lot and upgrading it. I know I haven't been posting videos for a while. It's been a while since my last one. I'm working on a crazy thing. I'm trying to possibly start a business with it, so I'm working on that. There's a lot of planning and adjustment that goes into it, and design work, so that's why I haven't been posting. And our car broke down, so I had to fix that as well. But yeah, and I'm also going to be driving soon, so there's a lot going on. So expect don't expect videos to be coming out very regularly like they were at the beginning. But thanks for watching. So far, I think that this car is, first assessment, this car is handled super well. Scale-wise, it looks really nice, the way the suspension moves. It looks like you took a shrink ray and shrunk down the big one, the big Mojave. Durability-wise, just based on what I've seen online, and the build quality feel, I think this will be a very durable RC car. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a great one. This is gonna be a banger. Ooh, can it fit on the wall? Yo, it fits on the wall. I'm gonna have to do that. Yeah, let's try it out on the wall here. Is it double layered right there? Oh, it's thick, dang. Okay, let's try it out on the wall here. It is hot, man. That's why I'm not pushing it too hard. I don't want it to get too hot. It can go on the wall. It's a little scary, but yeah. Ooh, the brakes aren't super strong, but yeah, you can see it looks epic. It just looks like a miniature version of the big one, which that's kind of what they were going for. So, did a great job. Color scheme, mwah, so good. With the like matte finish, matte black on the back, and then the like sparkly black and the shiny red up the front. Looks so good. And then if you look inside, for one, the clipless body system, amazing. You just push 2 buttons and it comes off. But you can see it kept most of the leaves and dirt and stuff out of there. Like some got through, but it's all the small stuff. Pretty easy to get out of there. But so far, that heatsink is doing wonders. The fan is also helping. So far, I'm very pleased with this. Definitely going to be upgrading it. The guy's visor is coming unstuck inside, but that's okay. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below. And I hope to see you in the next video.